winds catching all of the storage containers.
Yep.
They're blowing across. That is one of the planes going on the taxi. But they're all trying to block them.
They're really moving.
Northern Ontario, they're talking about tornadoes. Where I'm still there right now. It's like tornado winds. So the wind's really picking up out there.
What they said, 80 to 100 click.
I tell you, I was traveling to France, first round today. Yesterday's flight's canceled. Thankfully, they're taking off.
Yeah, today was our flight day. So glad we didn't go yesterday. We spent a very nervous week.
Yours is today originally too.
Yeah.
I've been following it for over months.
Yeah, that's like fly every day.
Oh, do they?